Nemo? You want a snack? Huh? Yeah, I hear ya. Kai Bear, you're so patient and quiet. Nemo, you're very vocal. Okay, first I'm gonna give one to Kai Bear. Come on, Kai Bear. Good boy. You get yourself a little snack, okay? There you go, Kai Bear. You get those little crunchies out of that interactive feeder board. You help yourself to a little snack. I love you, my sweet little kitten. Okay. Nemo, you ready? Uh-oh! I turned my back for a second. What happened? Get him, Nemo! I guess I startled Kai Bear. Sorry. Somehow by accident. And he must have jumped and fell over, knocking over his little interactive feeder. Right here, honey. Good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did you? Okay, good. Nemo got it. Spilling all his little crunchies. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, Kai Bear. Silly kitten, I love you.